Alright, good morning guys. It is Friday, November the 21st. I did not trade yesterday. On Thursday. Sorry. I didn't trade on the futures account yesterday. I did take a trade on the Forex account. And I lost that trade. So I lost $250 on that account. It's now it's like right at break even. I just entered this trade here because we got this bearish signal on the 30-minute and it went up strongly and then it went down, and that's when I got the signal and I got in a pretty bad fill. Would have rather got in closer to the close of this candle, and price is still acting very, what's the word, it's ranging super. It hasn't decided which way it wants to go yet. Almost came up and stopped me out here, but we're still in this trade. There's still a possibility that it could work. So we are going to wait and see what happens. How am I feeling today? I slept a little bit better last night. Not even gonna lie. Opened my window. I know it's winter, but this dry air kills me. So I opened the window and that helped a lot. Trading wise, trading has been stressing me out this week because I've had to pay attention to the chart for like most of the day, like until 2-3 o'clock. I hate that. I do not like that. I really don't. I know I said that I should, just deal with it and muscle through it. But bro, I am just a human. And paying attention to the charts, plus trying to create videos for YouTube at the same time is not, I don't know how sustainable that is. I don't know if I want to continue to do that. It's something I gotta think of, and it's one of the reasons that I did not trade yesterday. But also, I didn't trade yesterday because price just plummeted. I got no entries yesterday. And after this plummet, after this incredible drop, I was just like, nah, I'm not gonna trade this. I'm not gonna trade anymore after that disgusting fall, because yeah, I decided not to trade. But yeah, I don't know, I might have to rework how I'm doing this again, or go back to how I was doing it before this week, before I decided to do the location thing, because I do respect location, but man, just my energy levels can't really handle it. It's not healthy. It's not healthy. So I think I might just go back to how I was trading my funded futures at 9:30, and then maybe I'll keep my Forex account the same way, maybe. But yeah, I'm working on that. Anyway, let's see what happens with this trade. Looks like I'm about to lose. See this part? I hate this part. Just waiting, sitting here on my butt, just like looking at the chart. Looking and waiting. Even though it seems to be going in my direction, you never know. It seems to be going in my direction right now. It's still boring as frick, bro. I am a guy who likes to get his hands dirty and create. And that is not something you do with the market. You just wait. I feel like the best part of trading is the beginning, where you're like trying to figure stuff out and you're back testing and you're like trying to figure out your strategy. After that, after you figured your strategy out, it's just boring. you just execute your strategy and wait. But that's my issue too. That's why I keep strategy hopping. That's why I strategy hop too much. That's why it takes me, I'm not consistent. I'm not a consistent trader. And sure, I don't strategy hop in the sense where I'm switching my strategy completely, going from super trends to, I don't know, fair value gaps to trend lines to freaking support and resistance. I'm not doing that. I switch my strategy within the frame of super trends, but it can still cause inconsistency. So I'm still thinking about doing it again, though. I'm still thinking about doing it again, because I don't want to stare at the charts for all day. Or I don't want to think about trading all day, bro. I don't want to think about trading all day. I'm gonna go get a damn drink. Wow, look at this. Still waffling around. Cool. A cool thing here is that there is a fair value gap right in here. There's a fair value gap right in here that price did create inverse this way, but now it is coming back down. So I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, Price is moving in my direction. That's fun. That's always nice. You know, it's November 21st today, and on YouTube, in my YouTube account, it said last month that I was very close to getting my first payment from YouTube, which is crazy. You have to make $100. $100 on YouTube you have to make before they pay you. And I actually made my first $100. I made it to $100 last month. At least that's what it said. And then it reset and went back to $90, and it said this is how close you are to your next payment. So I thought I was gonna get paid today, because apparently you're supposed to get paid on the 21st, but I didn't see anything in my bank account. So I'm like, oh man, maybe they made a mistake and they took off some money, and now I'm gonna get paid next month because I'm close to reaching the next payment. If it is the next payment, it might be, you know, my first payment in actuality. I was like, oh, I was really hoping to get a little bit of money today. Bruh, I gotta go take a dump. So I'm just gonna let this trade play out. Oh my god. Yeah, I gotta go take a dump. I'm probably gonna lose this trade. Whatever. Wow, that's not what I expected to see. Stop me out and then go in my direction. Okay, great. That's even more annoying. That's the most annoying thing that could have happened. That is the most annoying thing that could have happened. And you know what? I'm done trading for the day. I am finished, bro. I am done, man. It's Friday. I don't need this stress. I can't believe that just happened. That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. It's very annoying. It's very annoying. I'm not even going to crash out. I'm just going to go and work on other things. And over the weekend, I'm going to reevaluate my trading process because, yeah, I don't like staring at the charts all day at all. I'd rather work on YouTube, to be honest. But, yeah. That's where I think I'm going to end this video right now. Do I have anything else to say? Yeah, trading, I love it. I love it because it's teaching me how to regulate my emotions. And it has taught me so much about regulating my emotions. And still, I don't even know if this is going to reach my take profit. So it doesn't really matter that I got stopped out because I can't tell the future. It might go all the way up now. It might go up. I might have lost this trade anyway. It's just a little bit annoying to see. But that being said, I don't want to stare at the charts all day. Oh, am I going to? Should I? Should I? Oh, gosh. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna trade anymore today. I'm thinking it over. I'm thinking it over. Think it all over. Alright, I'm gonna come back in 20 minutes and see what happens. If price flips, look for a buy. Alright, so price did not do anything in the last 20 minutes. And I didn't do anything either. Because I was sitting my ass down here freaking editing the previous update that I just made. So I didn't get to do dick squat except do that. And I was so tempted 2-3 minutes ago. I was so tempted to crash out. Just put this sucker to 5 and just, okay, because I have this other strategy. See, like this 5-minute super trend above, like it's an umbrella super trend. That's what I call it. I just make up my own freaking terms. This is umbrella super trend here, and this candle was forming. I was just like, let me put my shit right here, crash out, and just let it ride. It would have won, as you see, it would have won, but I didn't crash out. I didn't crash out. That shit would have pushed me up quite a bit. That shit would have pushed me up quite a bit, but I held my shit together. Anyway, I'm deciding to not trade anymore for the day. I'm gonna lay trading to rest for the week, and then I'm gonna go reevaluate some stuff over this weekend. I'm glad I didn't crash out. Actually, am I glad? Because I would have made a lot of money just there. You know, I haven't crashed out in any way in a long ass freaking time, guy. Like in a month. Not that I crash out on a regular basis, but I'm just saying I haven't, no cigarettes, no weed, no alcohol. That's not a big one because I don't drink that much anyway. No fapping, no skateboarding, no golf. I have no freaking outlet for fun. Except YouTube can be pretty fun. But it's also not pure fun because I do it because I'm trying to build a YouTube page. It's like a business. It's like work plus fun in one. So it's not just pure letting go. You know what I'm saying? I love YouTube, but it's not that pure. I don't know if you understand what I mean. I think you must understand what I mean. It's not like pure fun. It's fun work. And that's the thing. You can have fun work, but just that pure fun, no responsibility type fun. I have not had that for a long time, man. And honestly, I don't know when I'm gonna have it again. That's another hard part. So, whatever. We're done for the day. I hope you guys had a beautiful trading week. Much love to all of you. Through my frustration, I hope I'm translating some love. Yeah, have a beautiful weekend. I'll see you guys later. Like, sub, share. Peace!